Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am telling you to the Sonata cruise itinerary from Hanoi, Vietnam. It's a full day tour inclusive of visit to Tip Top Island, hiking, water activities, kayaking, bamboo boating and visit to Lin Leon caves also. This trip includes a round trip by limousine bus or a shuttle bus from Hanoi to Halong Bay and return by new highway with complimentary bottle of water per person. Around 8:15 to 9 am, the tour guide picks you up from your Hanoi Old Quarter and then you depart for Halong City with a short stop on the expressway and a visit to a pearl workshop to learn about the process of creating real pearls. If you want to purchase the pearls, you can buy it from them. Around 12 am afternoon, you will be arriving at Tuan Chau Island and entering the private waiting lounge to board the Halong Sonata cruise. You begin your enchanting 5.5 to 6 hours journey through the scenic cruise route renowned for its stunning uninhabited islets and rock formation. The new Halong Sonata 5-star cruise has 99 seats, air conditioning throughout the route, jacuzzi, sunbathing upper deck. They provide welcome drinks to their guests and also provide cold or warm hand towels with international buffet lunch. This 6 hours cruise journey costs you around 6,000 rupees INR per person. Around 2 to 4:30 pm, they will take you to Bohon Archaeopelago to visit the surprising cave with its great impressive stalagmites and stalactites. Next, you will visit Titov Island where you can swim on the sandy beach or climb to the peak for a panoramic view. The final stop is Luon Cave where you can choose to kayak or to join a bamboo boat rowing to explore the hidden lagoon. Kayaking or bamboo boat rowing is around 1 lakh Vietnamese dong per person depending on price listed on the floating house. At 4:30 pm, returning to the ship for a sunset party, enjoying a live traditional music performance as the ship cruises back to the Tuan Chau harbor. You will have great time to chill out with friends on upper deck with unforgettable moments. This cruise ship trip exclude beverages during the trip and travel insurance and taxes, etc. At 6 pm, disembarking and getting on the bus to Hanoi with a short break along the way. At 8:30 pm, tour guide will bid you farewell at your hotel. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.